Caldecotte Lake, hidden in the southern part of Milton Keynes and a short distance from the hustle and bustle of city daily life, an ideal peaceful place to escape and connect with nature and clear your mind. This is a lovely peaceful lake that is surrounded by greenery and paths that meander around with open spaces and scenic trails, a perfect place for joggers, cyclists, dog walkers and families to unwind and connect with nature. It was designed and created as a balancing lake in the 1970s to carefully manage water levels in the ever-expanding city of Milton Keynes and control floodwaters along the River Ouzal. It is home to a variety of birds and wildlife, which means it's an ideal place for fishing, photography, bird watching, or just enjoying the fresh air and views. Whether you live in Milton Keynes or just visiting the city, it's a place that's really worth visiting. There are free car parking spots available along the perimeter of the lake or at the Caldecotte Arms, where you can treat yourself to a nice drink and a lovely meal. The lakes can also be accessed easily by foot and cycle via the Milton Keynes Redway system. In addition, the National Cycle Network, Route 51, follows along the River Ouzal, and this is known as the Walton Trail and integrates nicely with the Redway system.